Welcome to Coffee Recipes by Baked, Brewed, Beautiful. I'm Cheyenne, and this is your one-stop source for specialty coffee recipes at home. On this channel, you'll learn how to make lattes, espresso, cappuccinos, cold brew, as well as all of the brewing techniques you need to perfect these types of drinks. In every video, I provide a breakdown of the recipe from start to finish, which also includes the brewing tools and techniques you'll need, along with the ingredients and their measurements. I'm also sure to include substitute ingredients and alternative brewing methods in case you don't have access to the coffee tools and technology that I have. These videos are meant for everyone at every level, so no matter what resources you have and what brewing tools you have, you're able to enjoy specialty coffee drinks in your own house. New videos are coming out every Thursday, so be sure to subscribe to keep refreshing your home coffee routine. Thanks so much for tuning in, and happy brewing!